Good evening, School District of Indian River County. This is your Superintendent, Dr. Moore, with yet another Facebook Live. So we're going to jump right into our announcements for this week. First and foremost, we will be celebrating Teacher Appreciation Week next week, May 2nd through the 6th. And as we reflect back on the difficult times our teachers have had navigating instruction and learning through the midst of a pandemic, we really need to step up and celebrate their efforts every single day, giving of their time, ensuring that our children and our community are provided quality education. So if you are watching, do something special for your son or daughter's teacher next week. If you are an organization and you have the opportunity to give or support, please reach out to your local school. We want to celebrate teachers in Indian River County in a very, very positive way. So let's rally behind our teachers next week and let's celebrate the impact that they're having in the lives of our children. Next week we'll be busy because as we are celebrating teachers, we're also going to be kicking off our assessments for the end of the school year. So if you look at the screen now, you'll see Tuesday and Wednesday, our 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, all of our grades in ELA will be taking their writing assessment. So this is going to be very, very important. We have worked really, really hard, and this is the opportunity to allow our students to come in and show off everything that they have learned. So please make sure that we are getting our kids to sleep, encouraging them to come in and give 100% as we begin to assess next week. Also, Sebastian River High School students, 11th graders, you're going to be up on May 5th, and that's the opportunity for you to show everything that you have learned in U.S. history. So as we go into these assessments, we're very proud of what we have accomplished, the work that has been done. This is just the opportunity to show off how well we have learned and mastered the content over the course of the year. Also, time is ticking. It's going to be here before you know it. Those are graduations. So Vero Beach High School graduation is May 20th at 7 p.m. And Saturday morning, we're going to turn it right back around at 8 o'clock, Sebastian River High School on May 21st. We also have Indian River Virtual School graduation on May 24th. And Wabasso school graduation is on Friday, May 20th at 10 a.m. So please make sure you let your employers know you're going to be celebrating your children on those days and on those times, because we want you to be rewarded and see them walk across the stage. Very, very special opportunity for you as a parent. Also, we are transitioning to that 7.5-hour workday for our teachers, which goes into effect next school year. But we want to make sure that we open up next school year completely smooth, so we're problem solving, shifting to those schedules now. Will not impact any of our families, but you might see slight changes in arrivals and dismissals in order to ensure that we get that right. So we just want to continue to let our community know that we're working on making that transition over the next several weeks to ensure when we walk into next school year, we have a very, very smooth opening of schools. Those are our announcements for today. Thank you, and we'll see you in the schools.